What's good, everyone? This week I will be covering 2 easy ways to game on the go. The first method I'm going to cover is one of my favorite gaming apps called NVIDIA GeForce Now. It is simple, easy to use, and it works amazing across all platforms, including Android TV. It basically allows people to stream their games on any device without the need of a PC or a game. At the time of this writing, there's a free option and a paid option. It's up to you which one you want, but the free option works just fine for short gaming sessions. The first step to use this service is to download it directly through the App Store and create a login. Now, Android users can just go to the Google Play Store and download it. However, Apple Store doesn't have the app yet, so the Apple devices will have to visit the site, go to the Downloads tab, and follow the instructions on creating the shortcut. Once logged in, you can search for the video game you own. Since I bought my games directly through Ubisoft, once I click the game, it'll prompt me to log into my Ubisoft account. But you only have to do this once if you check the Remember Me checkbox. After that's done, you just play the game as if you're playing it on PC. Next method we'll talk about is using the Steam app. Although Steam games need a PC, the games can be streamed as well. And if you already own a strong gaming PC, then this is the better option and it's completely free. The setup is straightforward. First, install Steam on your computer through the website, and then install it on your mobile device as well. Next, you gotta open your app on your computer, register it by clicking Steam, Settings, and Remote Viewing. Next, open your mobile app and it should display your computer and give you a pin to type in. After this short process, you can start gaming. If this video helped you at all, please do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, I hope to see you guys again soon.